this is Milane Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel, which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are going to review Holika Holika Lash Correcting Mascara 02 Defined Volume. It comes in a Ziploc bag with its makeup remover. As I have already reviewed the makeup remover, I will move on to the mascara, but you can check the remover's review link in the description box below. The mascara comes in a plastic tube form with a metallic cap. It claims to be good for sports activities, is waterproof, smudge-proof, and volumizing. The tube feels soft, just like a toothpaste tube. I love the holographic purple cap it has. It feels so regal. A mascara's entire performance is dependent on its wand. This lash correcting mascara has a C-type wand. C-type wands are great for volumizing the eyelashes as it coats each and every lash from the root. Look how densely black this mascara is. My natural lashes are pretty long but lacks some volume. I need to curl my eyelashes before applying the mascara because my lashes are somewhat straight. For the first impressions, this mascara does not have any weird smell. It is coating my eyelashes well and it is not clumping up even after 4 to 5 coats. Impressive. The mascara feels really creamy and it is working smoothly on my eyelashes. I love how this mascara has my lashes separated up till now. The formula does not feel heavy at all on my eyes or eyelashes. The only downside I found so far is that there are little black dots on my eyes from the mascara. Don't you think that my eyelashes look mesmerizing? Dude, it straight up looks like fake lashes. Wow. It's easy to remove the mascara from your face, like once it has dried up, and it doesn't messes up with your makeup at all. Okay, I am in love with this mascara and the way it makes my eyelashes look so separated and dreamy. I have tried and tested it for 6 months now and it doesn't flakes off as time passes by, which is great. It stays put even if you're sweating under the sun. It even holds well while swimming. It gives great volume to lashes too. So I'm going to rate it 5 by 5 and it truly is a must-have mascara. I'm going to recommend this to all of you in case you guys can get it, okay? Bye-bye!